the monster I made. Isn't he awesome? Do you wanna know how I made him? I actually took this. It's a pizza box. I cut up a pizza box, folded it up and taped it up into a monster. And if you look on the top here, that little blue board, that's called a microcontroller. You can plug it to your computer and make motors move. Inside here, there's something called a servo motor. Servo motor, yeah. A servo motor moves 180 degrees, just like my arm. So that servo motor can make this jaw move and make my monster chomp. This monster loves one thing. It's either pizza, cupcakes, or ice cream. I'm gonna transmit the thought to you. Here it is. Oh, did you catch it in your brain? I'll prove it. You don't believe me? I'll prove it. Point to any two of these cards, any two you want. I know exactly which one you're gonna do. I know exactly which one. Yep, I knew it. Ice cream. Point to another one. Go ahead. I knew it. You know what that leaves me with? One left. The exact one. I knew it. You don't believe me? Here, look. There's nothing here on the back of these cards. Here, one card. It says, eat me. See? That's the one that he loves. Sometimes when I do this, people still don't believe me. They think I'm crazy, but the truth is, the monster will actually eat the cupcake. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I'm gonna turn him on right over here. There he goes. I'm gonna stick the cards inside the monster's mouth. He's gonna chomp and he's gonna eat one card, and that is the cupcake. There it goes. I'm gonna put it inside here. Go ahead, Mr. Monster. Go ahead and eat. I don't know if he's gonna do it. I don't know. Sometimes he does it. Oh my goodness! There he goes! He's going crazy! I can't believe it! Oh my goodness! But could it be? Could it be that he actually ate one of these items? I don't know. Not pizza, not ice cream. Oh yeah, you better believe it. Look, the cupcake. And it's got a big bite in it. And that's the only one that has eat me! You did a great job, monster. I'm out of here, guys. Until next time, take care. Bye-bye.